The Hubble Space Telescope, HST, is one of the most famous and successful space observatories in history. Named after the renowned astronomer Edwin Hubble, the telescope was launched into space on April 24, 1990. Aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery. Its primary mission was to capture high-resolution images and data from distant galaxies, stars, and celestial objects, free from the distortion of Earth's atmosphere. However, shortly after its launch, astronomers and engineers realized that there was a significant problem with the telescope's primary mirror. A flaw in its curvature caused the images to be blurry and compromised the telescope's capabilities. This defect threatened to undermine the entire mission and resulted in what became known as the Hubble Space Telescope's flaw, or spherical aberration. To correct the problem, a daring and unprecedented mission was undertaken by NASA in December 1993. A crew of astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour conducted a series of spacewalks to install corrective optics on the Hubble, effectively compensating for the mirror's defect. This ambitious effort transformed the telescope's performance and turned it into the invaluable scientific instrument it is known as today. Since the successful repair, the Hubble Space Telescope has provided astronomers with groundbreaking data and breathtaking images that have significantly advanced our understanding of the universe. Its observations have led to numerous discoveries, including the measurement of the rate of expansion of the universe, the study of distant galaxies and their evolution, the determination of the age of the universe, and the identification of new planets and exoplanets. Over the years, the Hubble Space Telescope has undergone several servicing missions to replace aging components and enhance its capabilities. Its observations have been used in thousands of scientific papers and have captured the imagination of people worldwide. The Hubble has played a crucial role in popularizing astronomy and inspiring a new generation of scientists and space enthusiasts. As Hubble's technology aged and newer space telescopes were developed, like the James Webb Space Telescope, which was launched in 2021, plans were made to eventually retire Hubble. Nevertheless, it remains an iconic and beloved space telescope, continuing to contribute valuable scientific data and stunning images of the cosmos even after decades of operation. Deep Field Observations. One of the most famous projects undertaken by Hubble is the Hubble Deep Field, HDF, observations. In 1995, astronomers pointed the telescope at a seemingly empty patch of sky for 10 consecutive days, capturing extremely faint and distant galaxies. The HDF revealed thousands of galaxies, some of which were nearly 13 billion light-years away, providing unprecedented insight into the early universe. Hubble Ultra Deep Field. Building upon the success of the HDF, the Hubble Ultra Deep Field, HUDF, was conducted in 2003 and 2004. This observation extended the view even deeper and unveiled even more distant galaxies, some of which were seen as they were just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Probing black holes. Hubble has played a significant role in the study of black holes. It has provided evidence for the existence of supermassive black holes at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Observations of active galactic nuclei, AGNs, have helped scientists understand the powerful forces and immense energy released by matter falling into these black holes. Supernova studies. Hubble has been instrumental in observing and studying supernovae, the explosive deaths of massive stars. These observations have helped refine the understanding of the expansion of the universe and the nature of dark energy, a mysterious force driving the universe's accelerated expansion. Exoplanet discoveries. Hubble has contributed to the detection and characterization of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system. It has been used to analyze the atmospheres of some exoplanets, providing valuable data for understanding their composition and potential habitability. Comet impacts. Hubble observed the impacts of comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 on Jupiter in 1994. This was the first time a collision between two celestial bodies in our solar system had been witnessed by astronomers. Galaxy evolution. Hubble's observations have shed light on the evolution of galaxies over cosmic time. By studying distant galaxies, astronomers have traced their development from early, irregular shapes to the spiral and elliptical galaxies we see today. Discovering new moons. Hubble has been involved in the discovery of new moons around distant planets in our solar system, such as around Pluto, Neptune, and other gas giants. Public engagement. The stunning and captivating images captured by Hubble have been released to the public, generating widespread interest in astronomy and space exploration. Many of these images have become iconic representations of the cosmos. As mentioned earlier, while Hubble has made incredible contributions to science, it has reached the end of its operational life. In the future, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is expected to carry the torch of space-based astronomical observations. And it is designed to complement and extend the discoveries made by Hubble. Nonetheless, Hubble's legacy will undoubtedly endure, as its contributions to our understanding of the universe continue to inspire and shape the field of astronomy.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more exciting content like this, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button below. Your likes and comments mean the world to us and help support the channel. If you found this video inspiring or educational, consider sharing it with your friends and family. Sharing is caring, and it helps us reach a broader audience, spreading the wonders of space exploration. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an out-of-this-world adventure. Join our community of space enthusiasts, and together, let's explore the cosmos. Thank you again for being a part of our journey. Until next time, keep looking up.